Welcome to this recording of Johan downloading and installing Transparent Logon. We know that we always say it's very easy to install and download, and we figured, now that this new release is out, let Johan just show it and prove it.
After you've downloaded Transparent Logon of the Steltix website onto a Windows server, click Install, click Next, select the directory where you want to install Transparent Logon. Transparent Logon will install and end with clicking Finish. The service has started and Transparent Logon is up and running. It's that easy. So now let's configure Transparent Logon. Go to the admin interface of Transparent Logon, and the first thing we need to do is create an instance for the development. So in this case we're going to call the instance Transparent Logon Development, TLDV on port 7020. Let's configure the instance, and there's two things we need to add for the instance is the enterprise server and the web server. So let's configure our JDevils enterprise server, and 9.2 is running on port 6017. Enterprise server is using the development environment and it needs an admin user to connect to JDevils and password, of course. Then configure the web server where the users will be redirected to, which is in this case the same server. The web server is running on port 7020 on HTTP, and we're going to log on to the JDV environment. So we're done. Let's start our instance that we just created. Now let's add a user to the cross-reference and we should be ready to go. So I'm going to add myself, and the domain here is TLX10 test, and my user is user1. That's my Windows user, and my JDevils user is Steltix1. I'm filling in the email address, but it's not specifically necessary here. So, and we're done configuring Transparent Logon. So we can now do our first login into JDevils, which we will do by starting our browser and putting the URL of our newly created Transparent Logon instance. So let's put in our instance name, which is TLX10 test on port 7020/JDevils/JDE. Click Next. The browser will connect to Transparent Logon, and Transparent Logon is logging us into JDevils. It's that easy.